Alright, we're at Kirbyland, so let's go on a GO train. Okay. What's it, Lakeshore East? Lakeshore East, yeah. Okay. This is Lakeshore East, so we're going there. Okay, good. Welcome aboard. Welcome to GO Transit with Lakeshore East. So we have some rules that the doors will be open. Doors were not open in This is probably difficult to say. Yeah, hope so. So this was we're going to Popstar. Popstar, huh? Yeah, Popstar. Okay. Yep. This is gonna be really good. Yeah. So, this is Lake Ontario, and there's a Lake Simcoe on top. Yeah. You feel okay? I'm okay. Just got something in my throat, that's all. Okay. Is there something wrong? No. Okay then. Popstar is our station. This is Popstar? Yeah, that's Popstar. Wow. Where Kirby used to be. Yeah. This is the start of the Kirby 64. Yeah. Doors are now closing. So where are we going to next? Don't know. She can't say anything without this. Yeah. Ooh. What? It's I need to look it up. Yeah, Kirby 64, huh? Probably. 64. The crystal shards. Which star? Which level? Which levels? Huh. Let's see now. I don't know what category yet. Oh, there it is. Popstar. Okay, that's enough of this. Go away. So Popstar, huh? Yeah. We'll go to Rockstar next. Okay. Rockstar is a station stop. I was right. Rockstar is our next station stop. Wow. So cool, isn't it? What's Kirby and the Forgotten Land? Oh no. Looks like it. Looks like it too. It looks like Kirby and the Forgotten Land was up here. Yeah. This is so good. Yeah. Looks like we're in the ocean. The ocean? Yeah. Ocean of life. Cool. Aquastar is our stop. Okay. Doors will now be closing. Okay. So like it. This is so cool. I like this ocean of the city of Aquastar. Yeah. Neostar will be our station stop. Neostar? Yeah, Neostar. This is number 4, right? That's number 4. Okay. Probably looks like it. Yeah. Neostar is just it's just a town of a pretty little rainforest. Yeah, kind of like a rainforest. A rainforest and a rock. Yeah, the rocks and everything. Yeah, I hope so. Neostar. That's what it is. Yeah. Neostar is our stop. Okay, we're at Neostar. Which one's next? We don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see what comes next. Okay. Okay, we're at Neostar. Doors are now closing. Okay. Sometimes it makes me feel weird. Yeah, it makes me feel weird too. You know that, right? I know that. Shiverstar will be our next station stop. Next station stop is Shiverstar. Shiverstar? It looks like it. Okay. How many stations we have left? Okay, there's only 7 of them. Okay. But let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess the 6 would be good. Yeah. 6 should be good. Yeah. I love the 6. You love the 6? Yeah. Cool. Shiverstar is our station stop. Okay, we're at Shiverstar. Wow. Hey, is it so cold outside whenever Shiverstar has it? Yeah, it is. Oh gosh, it's really cold and snowy. Yeah. It looks like we can breathe in them much. Yeah. Okay, what's our next station stop? I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay. Check it out what it is, right? Yep. Yep, this should get. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is our station stop. The next station stop is Rebelstar. Wow, Rebelstar. Was it really good heart in the face? Yeah, with a heart in the face, and it looks like a Saturn. Yeah, it kind of looks like a Saturn, right? What kind of looks like a Saturn? Saturn's a planet that has icy rings. Oh, Saturn was just a planet. Yeah, it's up here. Saturn is a planet. A planet Saturn, huh? Yeah. A pretty puny little planet. Yeah. Ripple star. That's what it is. It's a heart shape with a face on it. Yeah. Ripple star is our stop. Okay, that's good. Wow, this is so cool. I love the Ripple star. Okay, do we have anything else? What else? I'm not sure. We'll have to wait and see. Okay. Doors right now be closing. I was right about that. You feeling okay? Yeah, I'm feeling okay. Good. Sounds like you're losing your voice for no reason. Yeah. So let's go. Yeah. Super Mario Bros. Will be our station stop. Next station stop. Next station stop. Right? Yeah. That's right. It's called Super Mario Bros. Yeah, Super Mario Bros. Huh? That's cool. Yeah, I love the Super Mario Bros. You think so? Yeah, I think so. You think so because it's a lot of good things to do. What's the other legend? Well, it's Niagara Excursion and Lakeshore East and Lakeshore West and Milton and Kitchener, Ferry, Richmond Hill, Stuffville, and Union Prison Express. Oh, okay. Super Mario Bros. Will be our stop. Okay, that's good. Alright, this is gonna be good. Yeah, this is gonna be good too. Yep, we're at Super Mario Bros. Right now. Okay, what kind of station is that? Looks like a mushroom kingdom to me. Yeah, they call it Kirbyland. Yeah, I think it's called the Peach's Castle over that top. Really? Yes. The top one is just in Stouffville. Stouffville, huh? Yeah, that's right. Stouffville is just a road here, a railroad here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Doors right now are closing. Okay, where are we going to next? Next, where are we going to next? Oh, I don't know. I think it's called Yoshiland. Oh, Yoshiland. That's right. Yoshiland will be our next station stop. Okay, so yep, that's Yoshiland. Cool. What does a Yoshiland mean? Yeah, what is it? What kind of Yoshiland is that? It's Yoshi because Yoshi was just a dinosaur name that had to do with the tongues. That had long tongues and throwing eggs and stuff. Oh, so that's a video game character, Yoshi? A dinosaur character? It's a dinosaur character for Yoshi. Oh, so they call him throwing eggs and they use their tongues to make their eggs. Oh, what kind of egg is that? A spotted egg. Turning green, yellow, purple, pink, orange, red, blue. What else? Good point. If they had a Yoshi for colors, then there should be a lot of colors. Yeah. What's on what's on what's on that colors of that road? Well, there is Union Pacific Express is really a light brown. Stuff is dark brown. Is brown. Richmond Hill is light blue. Very little dark blue. Kitchener is green. Milton is orange. Lakeshore East is red. And Niagara Excursion is long line. It's a long line dark red. And Lakeshore West is dark red. Wow. Or maybe it's purple. Purple? Yeah, I think it's purple. That's what it is. Also, that's purple. Yeah. Yoshiland is our stop. Okay, we're at Yoshiland right now. Okay. So they're calling characters for other colors for Yoshi, right? They do. Good point. If they do have it, why do they do have it? Because they linked Shore East was really good. You know that, right? Yeah. So, what are we waiting for? We're almost here to Union Station, right? Yeah, we're going to Union Station right now. Okay. This is gonna be good. Yep, this is gonna be good. Uh-huh. The last next station stop is Union Station. Okay. This is the last one. Wow. What are they calling this place? They're calling Union Station because it's Lakeshore East to the end of the road. Railroad. Railroad, huh? Yeah, some kind of it. What other GO Transit they used to be? Well, it should be like Lakeshore West and Niagara Excursion. Milton, Kitchener, Barrie, Richmond Hill, Stouffville, and Union Pacific Express. Yeah. Union Pacific Express is just the other train, right? Other than GO Transit. Yeah. Union Pacific Express was the other train. Yeah, to bring us from Union Station to Pearson Airport. Yeah, we've been to Union Pacific Express before. Really? Yeah, we just got from Union Station into Pearson Airport. Yeah, we do, huh? Yeah, we do. That's why we went to Walt Disney World. Yeah, and we went to Disneyland too. Really? Uh-huh. Well, I never know Disneyland. Disneyland was just a theme park in California. Wow. And there should be like a lot of things to do. Yeah. So, when are we going to the next Disneyland trip? Tomorrow. Tomorrow is the next Disneyland trip? Yep. Okay. But you can record this without me, right? Well, I can do it. I can do May compilation number, May 2022 compilation number 7 without you. Yeah. Still. Yeah, I just had a dream about it. What kind of dream is that? In my dream, I used to Well, in my dream, I used to have Tigger. Tigger? Yeah, Tigger. He's wearing a hood, and then Winnie Pooh is a middle-sized character, and Tigger's small, and then Piglet was just a small animal too. Yeah, everyone is small. Why is Pooh's giant? Cause you know that from Halloween episode. It used to be Frankenpooh. The monster Frankenpooh, huh? Yeah, looks like it. Okay, we're having at new session in just a few moments. If you had your luggage, please grab all your stuff, please. And we'll be seeing you right next time. I don't think next time. No, no, I don't think so. I don't think so too. I think I'm going just forget about it. We'll have to go on our trips. Okay, we have to see TTC Streetcar. Streetcar? Yeah, to see what people is on there and what people is off there. Yeah. If TTC Streetcar is arriving at Union Station, you have to go see what people looks like. Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Well, this is Arco Transit, Lakeshore East, right? Yep. Okay. Well, can we turn off anyway? Yeah, let's turn off anyway, okay? Okay. Good.